So I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my eyelids using my Paint Pots by MAC and Soft Ochre. I'm going to be priming both eyelids, and I do use my finger because I feel like it does a better job at blending it out. Then I'm going to jump into eyeshadow. For today's palette, I'm going to be using... Okay, before I continue, I do want to let you guys know that I am having a giveaway on my Instagram right now. You can go ahead and go to my Instagram and enter to win everything that's on the screen right now. One of the extra entries will be to be subscribed to my channel. So if you guys aren't ready, you guys can go ahead and subscribe before you exit the video or before you leave my channel. It ends on September 6th, and I'll be picking a winner on September 7th. The winner will be DM'd, and I will be picking the winner on my Instagram story like I always do. And yeah, I love you guys and thank you guys for the support. And now back to the video. My Annette69 eyeshadow palette by Beauty Creations. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this pink shade called 9. This is going to be my transition shade. And I'm going to put this all over my lid like I do with all my transition shades. Then I'm going to jump into this green one called the Netto. And this one is going to go in my crease. And I am using a small flat brush. I'm just going to put that all over the crease. And then to start defining it, I'm going to go into this navy blue called Fire. And I'm using a smaller pencil brush to really put that in the crease just to define it a little bit more. And then on the lid, I'm going to be applying this gray shimmer eyeshadow called Dreamer. And I'm going to put that all over the lid to get it ready for glitter. And I'm going to jump into the glitter called Hustle. And I'm going to put that on top of the whole lid where I applied the shimmer eyeshadow. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my 4HD Sleek Eyeliner by Double Dare. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Tres Chic Cosmetic lashes in the style Princess. You can use my code BLANCA20 for 20% off. And then I did apply some glitter underneath my wing. And I'm using my Beauty Creations Loose Glitter in the shade Fairy Dust. This is such a pretty glitter, and I really thought it made the eye look really pop, and I just wanted to play with glitter, so that's what I did, and I actually love the way it came out. And then for primer, I'm gonna go in and use my Perlice green tea primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Juvia's Place I Am Magic and my Tarte Shape Tape foundation together, just because one is too light and one is too dark, so I decided to just mix them. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape by Tarte because it's one of my favorite concealers. And then to set my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Loose powder. This is one of my favorite powders, the Fit Me one. I really love it and I recommend it. It's a really good price for an affordable powder, and it's really good to bake. That's why I like it so much, because I use it to bake and it doesn't cake up or anything. And I also use it to set the rest of my face. And then I did spray my face with my Pixie Glow Mist just to minimize the appearance of the powder. And then I used my little fan to dry that up. And then for contour, I used my Elizabeth Arden a little bronzer palette. I forgot the name of this palette. I did get it at TJ Maxx, and I mixed these two at the bottom, and I used that to contour my face, and I also used it to contour my nose. And I actually love the formula of the powder. It was really easy to blend out, and I thought it was going to be really dark, but it wasn't, so I really appreciated that. And yeah, I didn't really use the other two ones at the top. I did use the bottom ones, and I really liked them. And then for blush, I'm going to jump into my Tarte's Brow Glow and Blush Palette by Tarte. And I'm going to be using this blush right here. And then for highlights, I'm going to be using my AOA Studio Pow Lighter in the style Sun Ray. This is only $1, you guys. And I kid you not, it's one of my favorite highlighters. It is so brightening and so pretty. Like, can you guys see the highlighter? Like, it is so pretty. I was impressed for it being $1. I really do recommend their products to you guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smoke on my bottom lash. I'm gonna be using this other darker pink in the palette called Alien Girl, and I'm just gonna put that all over my bottom lashes. And then on top of that, I did use a smaller brush, and I went into this light blue called Boss, and I put that really close to my lash line. And I really liked how it looked. At first I didn't really like it, but then when I was done with the whole makeup, I actually liked the way it came out. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Liquid Lash Mascara by Thrive Cosmetics. I used it to mix my fake lashes with my real lashes, and I used it on my bottom lashes. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using my Morphe liquid lipstick in Pep Talk. I'll put that all over my lips. And of course, I did go in with a gloss. I went in with my Dress Chic Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Golden. I love how this combo came out. It looks really, really, really pretty. It was my first time using this gloss on top of a liquid lipstick, and I really love how it came out. And this is the final look right here, you guys. Let me know if you guys like this tutorial, if you guys want to see more tutorials using this palette. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to head over to my Instagram to enter my giveaway. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because that will be an extra entry. Bye guys, love you.